What's going on, guys? It's Adelaide Richman. Today I'm going to be working on the Infiniti. Probably going to do the tie rods in this thing. Obviously I can't work on the car in my nice new white shirt. I'll go get that changed and I'll be right back. Much better. Alright, first things first, I'm just going to jack the car up, take the wheels off, see which one's fucked. I think it's this one. Alright, start with that. Wow, it's a hot day. This one's actually the one that didn't piss me off. It's a bit wobbly. Thought I'd show you what I gotta do. Changing the tie rod, split pin, tassel nut. This is the outer tie rod. In there is the inner tie rod. Right up in there. And boot. This one's actually a bit wobbly. See? Don't know if you can see that on camera. It's a bit wobbly, so stupidly annoying. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, screw it. First get that split pin out. Split pin. What size is this one? This is a 22. It's a real quick and easy job. I've been putting this off for months. Before I do that, might crack this nut. Continue taking this off. Crown nut. washer. Now ball joint. Ooh. Well, out with the old, in with the new. Now just do it in reverse. Slide her up in there, stick the washer on, stick the new crown nut on. Get the 17. Yep, she's done. Hammer that down. Fabric 22. Tighten this son of a bitch back up. Torque to spec. We're done. Put the wheel back on, put her on the ground. Right guys, before I go, guess what time it is?
Let me hear you say, oh, here we go again! Can you help me to find myself?
Alright, today's album of the week is an album that's been in the background, maybe. It is Bad Omens. Find God Before God Finds Me. Absolutely awesome album. I've been cranking it for the past couple of weeks. It's a brand new album from Bad Omens. As always, I'll have a link in the description. Follow to their channel. My favourite songs are The Death Throne and The Hell I've Overcome. That'll be me for today. Probably catch up next week. As always, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what projects you're working on. Leave it in the comments. Right. Peace.